Hey there. So I'm going to show you, there's a couple of people I'm talking to right now. I'm going to show you how to make sure you enter the information into your calculator as well as on Stats Kingdom so that you can get this. I don't know if you have a graphing calculator or if you have, or if you don't. So I'm going to show you both. If you have a graphing calculator, make sure your diagnostics are on. I explained this in my lecture video for 4.3. So we need to make sure that you go to second catalog and it pops this up. You have to go all the way down to diagnostics on. I'm not sure if you have this. So I want to make sure you have that first. Go to diagnostics on, click enter, and then enter again until it says done. Okay, now we're going to play. We're going to go to stats and I need to edit. So I've already got lists in here. I'm going to clear them by just going up and highlighting the L2 and just hitting clear, enter, tab over, do the same thing to L1, clear, enter. Do not use delete because it will delete the entire list and you don't want to do that. I promise you, it's not fun. I had to go through and watch a video on how to fix that because I messed it up myself. All right, so now I just need to enter this information. L1 always needs to be your X values. L2 always needs to be your Y values, and they need to be the values that are correlating to those X values. That it's very important that you make sure that you put 1 with 10, 4 with 5. So 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, and 15. I'm going to tab over and go 10, 5, 15, 15, 20, 15, 30, and 30. All right, now I just need to go to stat again. I need to go to calc. I need to go down to number 4, which is linear regression. Hit enter, and then enter again. Now it pops up y equals ax plus b. It tells you what your a is, which is your slope. It tells you what your b is, which is your y-intercept or your initial value. And it also gives you your correlation coefficient, okay? So we would need to write this so to find the linear regression line. And honestly, the more values you can give on my open math, the better. You're not going to have to do this on my exams because I'm going to provide you with the information, but you're going to need to do this for your my open math. So it's y equals 1.7307 x plus my y is 3.6538. And that's how I would get my linear regression line for 4.3 linear models. The other thing is I want to stop this share and go to Stat Kingdom and do the same thing in case you don't have a calculator because I don't know what situation y'all are dealing with. Stat Kingdom. Linear regression calculator. All right, so let me share my screen. All right. Let's use this. So it's a simple linear regression. I have my X's and Y's, so I just need to go through here, and for my X's, I'm going to put those same numbers. I can either go enter after each number, or I can put a comma. I like to enter them. If you have a calculator, you should have already logged off this. Let's go to the Y. Do the same thing. Again, they need to line up. All right, now you come down here and you just hit calculate and it will give you the linear regression line. All right, it shows you what it looks like. If you have any further questions, please let me know. You will not have to do finding the linear regression line on your exam because not everyone has access to a calculator, which is perfectly fine. You will be given a linear regression line and you will have to explain some things from it and use it to find some information out. If you want further conversation about that, I'm happy to do so. Otherwise, I will see you here in a little bit.